When it comes to creating video content, we all know we need to do lots of it. But one of the big things that holds people back is the cost of using an external video company. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you can make as much professional looking video content as you like in your own time using just your mobile phone. Okay, so in this setup here, as you can see right behind me is my dining area, my kitchen, and all I've got in front of me is windows. And so natural light coming in through those windows is giving me some pretty nice lighting in here. That's all we're doing, and as you can see, we're just using the front-facing camera of an iPhone on a tripod with an adapter to hold that iPhone. So that's the only things we're using. We're using natural light, we're using a reasonably quiet environment here, and a microphone and a tripod with an adapter on there to make this video. And that's all we need for this type of video. Just imagine, for social media purposes, you could make one of these a day and easily build up a massive library of content that you can drip out over the year to keep your social media channels alive. Well, that's it for this video. Hope you really enjoyed it and found it useful. Please comment below. I'd be really interested to know any of your comments and also any questions that you might have. Be happy to answer them for you. I'll see you on the next video.